Hello guys, I'm Theo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I depuff my face with this, the ReFaCarat. So here it is, the ReFaCarat. This product uses microcurrent technology which convert the light it catches from here into microelectricity, which help to simulate the collagen production in your skin, and in my case, it helps me to remove the water retention. You know, when I got the puffy face because I don't get enough sleep, or I eat too much salt, or when I eat noodles the night before and the next morning I wake up with puffy face. So this really helps. Now I'm gonna show you how to remove the puffy face caused by water retention in your face using this. The ReFa Carat Massager have four main functions. First, it enhances your skin natural repair system. The second, it helps collagen production inside of your skin. The third, it maintains skin elasticity, and the fourth, it's a facelift in just a few minutes a day. Okay, now I'm gonna start depuffing my face while stimulating its collagen growth. The first is I'm gonna start from my décolletage area or my collarbone and roll up the massager for 30 seconds for each side. What makes this ReFaCarat massager so special compared to another massaging tool is the microcurrent technology, which is convert the light into very mild shooting microcurrent that helps to improve our skin condition. That's why while using this massager, you have to be careful to not cover the solar panel embedded at the handle. Next, I'm gonna move to my neck area and using the same upward movement for 30 seconds each side. Why upward movement? Because I want the lifting effect for my neck and my décolletage and also my face. The massager at the center under your chin for 10 to 15 seconds to stimulate the cells in this area. Place your jawbone at the center of the rollers and roll upward. This movement creates definition on your jawline, and remember, always use upward movement for lifting effect. Now do it for each side of your jaw for 30 seconds. After finishing jawline, place the roller in the corner of your mouth and roll upward to the ear. Do it for 30 seconds each side. Next step, place the roller on your cheekbones and roll it toward your temple for 30 seconds each side. This movement helps to bring more definition to your cheekbones while lifting your face. Next step is press one of the roller to your temple and gently massage it for 30 seconds. This is good to remove stress and also helps with depuffing. Remember to do it on both sides of your temples. Press the roller at the center of your forehead for 10 to 15 seconds and then start the upward and downward movement to the side of the forehead for 30 seconds. Do it for each side. This helps to improve the blood circulation in this area and stimulate the collagen production. And remember to press harder when you move upward and gently lower the pressure when you move downward. Now I'm gonna roll the ReFa Carat Massager from my hairline to the back of my head, dividing in 3 sections: the side part, the middle part, and the other side part. This helps to remove the water retention and to improve the lymphatic drainage of the head. Remember to do it 15 to 30 seconds for each part. Next step, I'm gonna roll the ReFa Carat Massager from the end of my hairline to the back side of my neck, starting from the right side of my neck, the center, and the left side, each for 30 seconds. This rolling movement is good to remove the excess water retention in your face, stimulate the lymphatic drainage, and for my case, I use this ReFa Carat Massager to remove the knots at the side of my neck. Okay guys, that's how I depuff and lift my face with ReFa Carat Massager. For me, this ReFa Carat Massager is a very useful multi-purpose tool which is also travel friendly. And you can use it on your face or on your body. So this concludes today's video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and please subscribe for more content like this in the future. I put my Instagram at the end of this video, so feel free to connect with me there as well. That's all for today guys. See you on my next video. Ciao!